To my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video right now. And today for this video I'm doing the meltdown method on my frontal and a hair review. And I got this hair from AliExpress from MQYQ hair. I'll have the link down below. I got the 22, 20, 18, and 16 closure. And this is the frontal. The hair is really soft and it does shred. It doesn't really shred that much, just a little. Like, okay, this is what I have left. This is what I didn't use for my wig because I made a wig out of this. And I didn't really have to do a lot of like, see, this is what happens. I don't know if you can see, but it's not that much that shreds when you put your fingers through it. But I did make a wig off of this hair, and I didn't really have to pluck my hair as much as I would for any other hair. It's really good. The shipment is like really fast. It came in like, well, because I ordered it on like around like 12. Well, I ordered it on a Sunday, and you know it takes a day to process, and then they actually send it. So it took 4 days to get to me, which isn't really bad. So yeah, and I really like it. It's soft, it smells good, and I like the curl pattern on this hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching, and I'll have the link down below for this hair so you can order. It's really cheap. I got all this for $98, I think. It's really cheap, and yeah. So please subscribe and like this video.
Okay, so hey guys, the first thing we're going to do is put on the stocking cap, and then after that we're going to take our foundation and put it on the cap just so it can match our skin tone, so we don't be out here looking crazy, because yeah. Went ahead and grabbed my Got To Be glue spray, and I'm spraying it around my forehead and the back of my ear. I did repeat this process about 3 times just so I can have a better result.
With that baby, she become baby, oh you're him man, easy make surrender me up to the sunflower.
And right here I'm cutting my stocking cap to where I want my lace to lay. And please, if you're the type of people that have your wig all the way next to your eyebrow, please stop. It is not cute. Like, push that thing back, please.
Sunflower, she get cold faster, Make I come find that sunflower, right till I find her. She become powder plus fire. No time but 1 hour. Make I come find that sunflower, right till I find her. She become powder plus fire. No time but 1 hour. that baby, me want that baby. She become baby, she become baby. Oh yeah, him man, oh yeah, him man.
And right here I'm about to start with my melting down method, and I got this from Larissa Andre. I'm about to have her channel linked down below. I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but anyways, putting my wig cap where I need it to be, and then after that I'm grabbing my got to be glued and I'm spraying it on my lace front. I'm doing this method section by section, and I'm using my got to be glued spray and I'm spraying it down, and I'm also combing through my hair and pressing it down to my stocking cap just so it can be laid. And guys, if you're feeling this music right now, I'm gonna have the link down below. This is my friend's song, so you can go check him out or whatever. He's on iTunes and all the extra, so you know, check out his music.
I gon' make you give me heat when I say, get it down with the beat when I play. On the rise, going crazy, living right, I'm loving life. Give them heat when I say, on the vibe, never lazy, living right, loving vibes. Get the world go round. Give them heat when I say, show me love, never stop when you're done, I'm on the run. That's how my shit go down the way, yeah. Give them heat when I say, shit go down. I'm the new man in town, yeah. Afro sound. Yeah. Afro vibes, wavy ass niggas just enjoying life. Don't think too hard about my rhymes. Flow make you lose your mind. So give it life. Go get the girl if she is a dime. She might be one of a kind. Make you know that she was behind. I give them heat when I say, I smell Nina Cassé. You know it's a kind of boy thing. Grinding tryna be a king. Give them heat when I say, cry so hard every day. Yeah, I'm home chilling with my princess. Don't ask me who it is, mind your business. I gon' make you give me heat when I say, get it down with the beat when I play. On the rise, going crazy, living right.
And right here I'm grabbing hair to use as baby hairs, and I'm gonna cut it out and style my baby hairs.
Give them heat when I say, show me love, never stop when you're done, I'm on the run. So this shit go down the way, yeah. Shit go down. I'm the new man in town, Afro sound.
Waiting out there on the African beats, coming to you live with the African heat. Play it live in the African streets. When you lead, grab a stick, oh Ghana girl, wine for me. Niger girl, wine for me. Oh Salon girl, wine for me. Wine for me, wine for me. Oh, they call me Burner, I'm no boy. They call me Weezy, baby, I'm no kid. Run the town, white face like a clown. She put the boom boom on me, I know drown. Hey, just give me a light. Just give me a light. Just give me the light. Up next, Afro.
I can make you give me heat when I say, get it down with the beat when I play. On the rise, going crazy, living.
And to style my hair, I'm using Cantoon Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and I'm also using Lotta Body Foamy Mousse. As you're about to see, as I'm putting my hands through my hair, I'm about to have some shedding. And to be honest, it wasn't bad. It wasn't a lot of shedding, so it was okay. And it's curly hair, so of course it's going to be tangled and shedding, but it wasn't bad.
Yeah, given this dream called life, might as well enjoy it cause you can't live it twice. Way more things to worry about, so trust my advice. I'm just trying to live my life, I'm feeling alright. I'm worthless, I'm praying to the man upstairs.
Thank you so much for watching my videos, my babies. Please, if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button and comment if you want to. And like I said, I'll have all the information down below for the hair. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Mwah.